Dear students, in this session, I am going to explain relations and functions of class 10. The topic is composition of function. So, in this composition of function, I have taken the example problem 1.24. The question is, if f of x equal to 2x plus 3, g of x is equal to 1 minus 2x, h of x is equal to 3x, then prove that f composite g composite h is equal to f composite g composite h. So what is the left hand side? What is given? F composite g composite h. That I am going to write first to prove LHS. F composite g composite h, that is equal to f composite of g composite can be written as g of h of x. So f composite of g of, what is the function given for h of x? 3x. So that is equal to f composite of g of x of 3x. With this 3x, I am going to substitute in g of x. That is 1 minus 2 into 3x. Understood? So f composite 1 minus 6x. So here outside what we have, f composite 1 minus 6x. So 1 minus 6x, I am going to substitute in the given function f of x equal to 2x plus 3. So what is the required function? You will get 2 into 1 minus 6x plus 3. That is equal to 2 minus 12x plus 3. So that is equal to 5 minus 12x. So this is your LHS, F composite G composite H. So in the same way I am going to prove RHS. What is RHS is given? F composite G composite H. F composite G composite H can be written as, so within the bracket F composite G. So what is the bracket is given, that should be taken first. So f of g of x composite h of x. So f of g of x 1 minus 2x into h of x, that is equal to, taking the 1 minus 2x function and substituting in f of x, 2 into 1 minus 2x plus 3 into h of x, that is equal to 2 minus 4x plus 3 into h of x, that is equal to 5 minus 4x h of x. So 5 minus 4x means, what is f h of x function? 3x. So 4 into 3x, that is equal to 5 minus 12x. So here I proved that LHS equal to RHS. Both are getting 5 minus 12x. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved f composite of g composite h is equal to f composite g composite h. Proved. So come to the second problem, which is I have taken from the exercise 1.5. The second sum, second subdivision. Find the value of k such that f composite g is equal to g composite f, where f of x is equal to 2x minus k, g of x is equal to f 4x plus 5. So in this we have to find the unknown value, which is k. Okay, using the function f composite g is equal to g composite f. So f composite g given, first you write like this, given is f composite g is equal to g composite f. F composite g means f of g of x is equal to g of f of x. So I already told you, no, f of, what is the function given for g of x? 4x plus 5, that is equal to g of f of x 2x minus k. So you taking the function 4x plus 5 and substituting in the f of x function. So 2 into 4x plus 5 minus k, that is equal to 2x minus k, it is here, no, taking that and substituting in g of x function, 4 into 2x minus k plus 5, that you will get 8x plus 10 minus k is equal to 8x minus 4k plus 5. So that you will get. So here 8x gets cancelled. So you will have 10 minus k is equal to minus 4k plus 5. So I am taking all here writing this side. Plus 4k minus 5 is equal to 0. So 5 plus 3k equal to 0. So 3k plus 5 is equal to 0 means k is equal to minus 5 by 3. So the value we are getting for this k is minus 5 by 3. Thank you.